Hello, I am Santiago Salazar.
And I'm Esteban Casas, and today we're going to explain to you the
Metabolism
metabolism
Concepts.
concepts.
Okay, so the laws of thermodynamics. The first law states that energy can be transformed, but can be neither created nor destroyed. Two examples are the sun change of shape by a solar panel and it's turned into electricity. Another example is when an arrow is thrown, the energy that is generated in the bow to throw it, it is transmitted at the speed of the arrow and then to impact with a target. The second law of thermodynamics states that the state of entropy to the entire universe as an isolated system will always increase over time. Two examples are melting ice cube and that your own room gets messed up even if we don't want.
Okay, so the difference between autotroph, heterotroph, scavenger, and decomposers. Autotroph are organisms that use sunlight energy to produce food. Some examples would be the corpse lily, that's a flower, red algae, that's algae, and grass. Heterotrophs are organisms that can't produce their food and have to eat other living organisms, such as humans, lions, and sharks. Decomposers are organisms that break down and absorb nutrients from dead organisms, such as fungi and bacteria. And scavengers are organisms that feed on carrion, such as black vultures, raccoons, and hyena.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell the difference between a biome, an ecosystem, a population, and a niche. So a biome is a very large ecological areas on the Earth's surface with fauna and flora. Two examples are the forest biomes and the desert biomes. So an ecosystem is a unit composed of independent organisms that share the same habitat. For example, grass ecosystem and tropical rainforest ecosystem. A population is a group of the same species living in a similar geographic area. Some examples are herds of African elephants and pond population, that is, where it live different species of fish, birds. And a niche refers to the way in which an organism fits into an ecological community or ecosystem. For example, coyotes adapt their niche quickly to change in their environment, and pandas in bamboo diet.
Okay, so here's an example of a food web, and I will explain like 3 food chains that are in there. The first food chain is killer whale. That's the biggest the predator. That it's the elephant seal. The elephant seal eat the squid eat the crab, and the crab eats the seaweed. Then there's the food chain 2 would be the blue whale eat the krill, and the krill eat the phytoplankton. And the third food chain is that the killer whale eat the leopard seal eats the seagull eats the fish, and the fish eats the zooplankton, and the zooplankton eat the phytoplankton. And finally, the difference between the symbiotic relationships of commensalism, mutualism, and parasitism. Commensalism is a biological interaction in which one of the participants' organisms get benefit while the other is not harmed or benefit. Some example could be orchids that grow on the branches of the trees. In here, the orchids are the one that got benefit, and the remora fish and sharks. Remora fish get the benefit using sharks as a transportation way and as protect from the predators. Mutualism is a biological interaction in which both of the participants gets benefit and improve their biological fitness. Flowers and bees, nectars for bees and pollen for flowers. And humans and plants, humans get oxygen and carbon dioxide is for plants. And finally, the parasitism, that is a biological interaction in which one of the participants benefits while the other is harmed. One example with the ticks that feed on the blood of the guest, causing disease, and termites that feed on wood, damaging trees. And as you see, there's a picture of one. Thank you.
Okay, so we can conclude that even though all animals are different, they live in a different ecosystem and all of this, but they are connected, for example, in food webs and all of this.
Like all the things in the world are connected together, all is linked. And we like this theme because it helps us to understand like what are the common things that we like for us were common, but we didn't know what they really will. Because for me it was like the same thing, biome and an ecosystem, and now I know the difference. Okay, thank you.